Welcome to my educative channel. Today I'm going to talk about hypertrophic scar. Hypertrophic scar is this. Is an elevation of the scar over the surface of the skin. The difference between hypertrophic scar and keloid scar, the keloid scar is like a tumor, overpasses the scar, growth. And the difference also is the kind of treatment. The hypertrophic scar, you can resect the scar and make again, and it's going to go well. But the keloid scar have different way of behavior. Here is a patient that was bite for a dog and have a long distance in the lip, and also a protrusion in the red of the lip. This is a medical doctor, and I propose him to perform a laser treatment and not a skin operation. Here we can see with the Lotus laser how I produce ablation of the tumor, the scar, and with this zoom piece I produce evaporation of the superficial layer until I get the surface of the skin. This procedure I perform without anesthesia because the high speed of the light of the laser produce, and it's not painful because it's so fast, the light of the laser, that produce superficial ablation without diffusion of the thermal or the heat. And here I perform this treatment with a zoom piece, and in the rest of the scar I perform fractional laser. Here we can see the evolution. Here we can see how is faded the scar and almost disappear, and how improve this after 2 or 3 sessions. The patient is very happy with the result, and just with a simple, safe, secure procedure and without downtime.